What's up, bro? So, I'm gonna take a ride. I'm gonna get my horse to take a ride. You see? My horse? Deerfield Beach, right? Deerfield Beach. That's where we're gonna go. Right? So, Florida. Let's do it! Yeah, let's go. We're gonna see sunset. So I'm gonna go all the way through here, just show you guys. That's a small area. A lot of American and Brazilian live here, so I just wanna record for you guys. We're gonna get an ocean right here. How I said, like a small, but it's quite nice, really good. I like it. I'm going a lot of places here in South Florida, man. I'm driving a lot here. I visited a lot of places, man. It's beautiful. Florida people really like convertible. Can you see? My convertible is close by another one. How I said, like two convertible, Volkswagen and Ford Mustang. So that's Florida life. People really like go to the beach and enjoy here. Monday, and it's still busy. Seriously, I gotta waiting for. There's no table available right now. You scan your phone here, and a menu gonna appear. You see here, the menu. Which one you told me before? Which one?
The
Where
ribs.
we're gonna go? Yeah, ribs.
The ribs.
This one here.
You can do a half rack, a full rack, or you can do it with like chicken tenders, chicken wings, fried shrimp.
All right. Man, look this one here. You see? Oh my God, it's beautiful, right? Yeah, that's pretty much good. Man, I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. Like today is Monday. I can't afford to get a restaurant like Monday. I don't cook. I don't know how to cook, man. I'm so Florida. I really enjoy it. I have no idea how to cook. Every day I come to restaurant. I'm so thankful. God provide everything on me. So good, man. I'm so happy. Seriously. It's a beautiful place, man. I enjoy a lot, man. Got my convertible Mustang and drive also Florida. It's amazing.